agriculture and the tribal people of the country. Our aim is to increase the per capita income and the GDP in the field. So it is our mission. So for which this restrictive approach is not good. Government fix up the standards and allow people to work. Suppose the Road Transport Corporation of Karnataka, by government standard, they want to make it, allow them. If the state transport of the Maharashtra, if they want to use it, allow them. If the people like Purti, we want to do it, allow us. Check our sample every day, check the standards. If anything is there, then you can prosecute them, no problem. But the restrictive approach of the government in this field is one of the problems, so we'll go for the Prime Minister. Second thing, what I will request you, we need the research and development in the field of this all non-edible oil seeds. I request Honorable Minister of Chhattisgarh and also to all the agriculture minister in the country that this is the time that you should start the department of biofuels in your universities, in your colleges, and particularly in the rural areas, you should give the proper education to the people. By making research and development in the field of this non-edible oil seed, it may be Ratanjot, Moha, Sal, Karan, Store, or anywhere, we can use it. There is an oil percentage of 45%. We can increase the oil percentage, at the same time we can increase the production by using research and development. So all government, we can recommend that they should start a research and development organization for that. Karnataka already got it in their Hassan districts and other Gulbarga. The two districts, they are taking lot of plantation for this, all these biofuels, and they are encouraging the farmers. And I am giving thanks to the Chief Minister of Karnataka. He is the first Chief Minister in the history of India, after he is declaring that the Karnataka will give 10,000 rupees acre subsidy to the farmers who are planting this non-edible oil seeds on the wasteland, which can be useful for this. So it is going to increase the new employment potential to the youth from the urban rural area. So second thing, which is very important, already the import of this non-edible oil seed should be stopped, should be banned. Because what you are saying is absolutely correct. Export, not import. Export of this oil should be banned. Because one of the important problem is 20,000 ton of the fish oil we are exporting to the Europe, and they are making crores of rupees from that. We should make the value addition. And out of which if the Germany is going to making biodiesel, why not Karnataka can make it? They can make this type of industry. No, it's a possible thing. Nothing is impossible. And by which if not that diesel we are getting, that is a green fuel, no pollution. It is in the fuel which is available, diesel is the Indian Oil and Petroleum Company, the worst. The biofuel is proved to be 10 times better than as far as air pollution is concerned, environment is concerned. We should encourage it. And the second thing, whatever the cake which you are getting from the non-edible oil seed, Prakashji, it can be a medicine value is there. There is a nutritious value. So we can use that as a biofertilizer which can give strength to the plants. At the same time, we don't need any insecticides, either contact or systemic, because that cake can be useful, which can strengthen the total consistency of the plant, by which there will be no any type of diseases, any type of problem for the plant. So this can be also a possible. I am also making this biofertilizer of 2,000 ton per year, and next year we have got 5,000 ton a year, Bhu Suraksha, and we are from our distillery every day. We have some 10 tankers are with us. There is a waiting list from the farmers, and a spent wash which is from our distillery. We are giving to the farmers the spray of that to their land, and they are getting this value. This is a biofertilizer by which they are getting good production. So we are also doing that. This is possible. So organic farming is very essential. No doubt about it that we should encourage the people for organic farming. And in our time, the minister was talking tappa tappa ni gyu. What is tappa tappa? It is a proven fact in the world. So we should accept it. So we should go to the Prime Minister and say, no procurement, nothing doing, do it and declare it 26% in petrol and 20% in diesel and ethanol, and take it. Go ahead. And the price fixing mechanism is also a problem. So you fix up the price with a rate of per barrel, what is the cost for the crude, and just proportionate to the ethanol, and just fix up the ratio. If it is cheaper for you, take it. They have no hesitation to purchase more than $120 per barrel. The rate is increased. They have no problem. But when they want to purchase ethanol, these petroleum lobbies and the companies, they are feeling about the rate which is going ultimately support to the farmers. They are very cautious about it. I don't know what the reason for it. It is the duty of the government in a welfare state to help to the poor. So it is helping to the farmer is exactly in the interest of the society. So we should also go for that. The second thing, as far as the environment laws are concerned, related with the forest department, already you have discussed about it, we should take a practical approach about it. You are not only facing this problem. We have this problem. There is not a single tree, hectares to hectares, you go there. But on the record, it is written that it is Jhudpi Jungle. There is no jungle, no tree. It is Jhudpi Jungle. Even our Chief Minister house in Nagpur is under Jhudpi Jungle. Our Vidhan Sabha is under Jhudpi Jungle. This is a very funny thing. जे डोळ्यांनी दिसतं, आंखों से दिखता है, उसके ऊपर विश्वास रखो. What is in this record? Government need to rectify this record and use all this land for using this land for generating of biofuels. Girish Gandhi is here. Already the president of Vanarai, Mr. Mohan Daria, from last many years, he has given one report using of this wasteland. Crores of acres of wastelands is available in the country. I am constantly from the helicopter, I just see anywhere, I never see any forest. The wasteland is there. Starting from the Bangladesh border to China border, everywhere I get opportunity to see the land of this country. The lot of land is just a wasteland. We should use that. You are absolutely correct. Wasteland land is not what is this word? Wasted land. So we can use that land for agriculture also. We can use that land for the biofuel also. It can increase the productivity. It can be stop our imports. It can be useful to increase our employment potential in agriculture and the rural sector. So this is one of the important subjects. Our all governments, where 9 states belong to my party, I will see that they will implement this policy in the 9 states. And at the same time, I will assure you, I will take this charter of demand to the Prime Minister and we also convince them for that. It's really a good seminar. It can give a good vision to the country. And as far as the politician of the country, we are going to plan the Vision 2025. And there is one chapter is related with the energy and power sector. I am telling you, 3 months before I was in Israel. There was a big industry named as Idan. He is my good friend now. He said me, Nitin, you phone me at any time, I will reach to India. He has got 7 jet flights and he is one of the richest person like Ambani in Israel. He already manufactured a car on the basis of battery and electricity. It is a need of the country that we should transfer all our transport, whether it is a public transport or a private transport, on electricity. Because we can generate electricity, but we cannot generate petrol and diesel. We have a lot of constraints. So the car is good. I just in that car, Vasundhara Raje, drive the car with the speed of 180 kilometers per hour. It's a good car, just like Mercedes car, all type of cars. And he is ready for that. And the battery, there is a petrol pump, in plus there are the battery stations. Just car come, just car go to upside, just robot come, just withdraw that battery, attach new battery, and the car going on within 1 minute. And it's go 140 kilometers for the capacity for the battery. Now this battery is manufactured by special way, that's why their strength is more. So this is possible. People are ready. But when we are going to support these petrodollars for the countries, those who are supporting the terrorist organization and also the sponsor the terrorism in the world, it's really a serious subject. It's a social angle is there that we can stop Naxalwad and Atankwad by creating the biofuel in the country. It's a good subject, a subject which is related with the future of India. We need a vision for that, and I feel that within 5 years, India can be a great country. There will be no import of a single drop of crude from the other countries. We can be self-sufficient, and that money can be used for the welfare of the rural, tribal and agriculture sector of the society for eradication of poverty. This is a great dream. This is difficult, but this is not impossible. I feel that this seminar will inspire all of us to go in that mission. Definitely we will get good success for that. Once upon I will give a lot of thanks to Ramakrishnan ji, M.K. Anna Patil ji and the concerning people who are here from India, from different states. Definitely I am confident that they will come, that we will achieve our goal. Thank you very much.